The high-profile murder trial in Jacksonville. 2 men are charged in the death of 13-year-old Prince Holland, who was killed back in 2022. The lead investigator returning to the stand again today for more cross-examination. Our Fariha Abrar has been in the courtroom since the trial began.
Judge Jeb Branham says he's, quote, confident that they will wrap up trial Wednesday. However, there's no guarantee that each jury will reach their verdict by the end of the day. And if that happens, there's a possibility that the trial will extend. Now, we did just finish listening to the interrogation video of Marcel Johnson confessing to being a part of the crime, but not being alone in committing it. 24 jurors are still hearing testimonies and reviewing evidence presented by separate legal teams. Contravious Garrard's defense counsel pressed the case's lead investigator at the stand for nearly 2 hours on Tuesday, highlighting alleged gaps in his investigation, addressing no formal interviews, search warrants, or phone records pulled for some key characters in the case.
And to be clear, with respect to all of these prior acts of violence, some of which I've asked you about, some of which you've given direct testimony, you have no evidence to suggest that Contravious Garrard was involved in a single, correct?
No, ma'am.
After Garrard's defense rested, the state asked for the jury to be excused before continuing its rebuttal. It then requested the judge allow the investigator to testify Johnson told him he was the driver of the vehicle shooting at the victim's car.
Well, I am not allowing you to put before Mr. Garrard's jury Mr. Johnson's statements. That's the whole reason we did this entire proceeding under this structure, and we are not going to undo it at this point in time.
The judge later allowed the state to ask the witness a question to, quote, allow for the scope of an appropriate response. Sergeant T.C. Mitling essentially testified Johnson told him he was driving the blue Kia that shot at the red Mercedes the 5 victims were in, and that Contravious Garrard was the one shooting at the car. Then a confessional video of Johnson discussing the crime played for an hour and 13 minutes.
Start shooting.
Then what happened?
What you mean?
Where'd you go?
I panicked. I like pulled. I thought I crashed. I blacked out.
Did.
Court is moving into the later hours of the evening. We'll keep you posted on the latest developments as we move forward. At the Duval County Courthouse, Fariha Abrar, First Coast News, on your side.